What is done? Refresh. Hi guys, hi everyone. Sorry, I have some connection problem. Can you guys hear me so far? Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Okay, just test. Hi. Sorry, I was having a connection problem. Okay, so today topic, you already see that trading with divergence, which is I personally use the divergence in trading as well. Shall we just wait for 1 more minute? I will start. Good evening. Okay, good evening from Singapore, guys. So today is an election day in US, so just trade carefully. Okay, let me check. Okay, shall we start, because it's already like past 7. Okay, so disclaimer before we start. All right, this marketing communication and does not contain and should not be construed as containing investment advice or investment recommendation. Okay, the analysis contained herein does not constitute a personal recommendation and does not consider your personal investment objective, investment strategy, financial situation, or needs. IC market make no representation and assume no liability as to the accurate or completeness of the information provided, nor any losing arising from any investments based on a recommendation. Okay, risk warning: trading for and safety carries significant risk to your capital and is not suitable for all investors. So please come and join the webinar and learn together. Hey Ajay, nice to see you here. And Kun Pom, right? Are you from Thailand? Nice to see you here. Okay, so the agenda for today, which we going to cover what is divergence, type of divergence, best indicator for spotting divergence, how to identify and trade with divergence, which I will bring you guys to the live chat later. Okay, so introduce your host today. By now, you guys should already know me. My name is Peggy. Okay, I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader as well. So if you want to learn about prop firm, you can check it out, IC Funder. Okay, just I think you just go to like icfunder.com, just find out. Okay, so what is divergence? So we use the divergence to identify potential reversal in price trend by analyzing the difference between the price movement. So basically, if price, where is my mega higher high, like that, the indicator will make a higher low. Yes, okay, this is a regular divergence, which I'll come like cover later. Okay, so essentially we use the divergence will occur when the price of the currency pair move in the one direction, while indicator is move like different direction. So for the indicator, you can use the RSI, or you can use a MACD, or you can use like a stochastic. It's up to you guys, but I personally use the RSI to spot the divergence. Okay, and the type of the divergence, there will be 2 types of the divergence, which is regular divergence and hidden divergence. Okay, so in this slide we'll cover the regular divergence first, so that will be bullish and bearish. Okay, for the bearish divergence, which is you will see the price make a lower low. Okay, from here lower low, and indicator is make a higher low. So this is a bullish divergence. Okay, for the bearish divergence, price make a higher high, indicator is make a lower high. So for regular divergence, we will spot the regular divergence very often. Okay, I have the example in the slide later. But for the hidden divergence, it's very rare that we will spot in the charts. But when you see the hidden divergence, it's very powerful. So for the hidden divergence, which is price make a higher low, okay, but indicator is make a lower low, so it's indicating that the uptrend may continue. Okay, for regular divergence is reversal, okay, or end of the downtrend. For this one, it's going to be change to upside, right? For the bearish, is like end of the downtrend, so gonna be like a downside. Okay, for the hidden divergence, it's uptrend continuation. For the hidden divergence here, you will see the price make a lower high, okay, but indicator is make a higher high. So it's indicating that the downtrend may continue for the bearish hidden divergence, okay. And the indicator for you guys to use, there will be RSI, there will be MACD or MACD, either you want to call, or stochastic, like I just mentioned. I personally use only RSI to spot divergence, which is I just use default number, which is 14. Okay, for the stochastic, some of the trader, they will adjust the setting. Either they will use like 933 or they use like 533. So sometimes if you change the setting, then you may not spot the divergence. So I just personally use the RSI and keep at 14, which is default number. Okay, so this one is up to you guys. You want to use RSI, MACD, or stochastic. Okay, now how to identify and trade with the divergence. Okay, so we already know that identifying a trade with the divergence involved in recognizing when the price and indicator moving in opposite direction. Okay, so signaling the potential trend reversal or continuation for the hidden divergence or trend reversal for regular divergence. Indicator first, you want to use RSI, MACD, or stochastic. Second, or step 2, identify the market trend. So if price on uptrend, they need to make a higher high, higher low, right? If downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You know that downtrend is uptrend. Okay, and step 3, you look for the divergence. Okay, for regular divergence, which I already mentioned, she will just look at our chart, right? Here. Okay, I have the example of gold, which is just now. For the regular divergence, okay, is that maybe I go to the higher time frame. I think I have the over here. Okay, there will be regular divergence here, meaning that price make a higher high. Do you see this is my RSI, okay? The RSI indicator is make a lower high. This is the regular divergence. You can see that this is a reversal end of the uptrend. So they're gonna, like, you know, that's why you sell from this zone or this level. Okay, that's why we sell, because end of the uptrend already. You can see that you sell here, but then after that you see that this is the hidden divergence here, which is price make the higher low, but indicator is make a lower low. This is hidden divergence here, right? This is just, you can see here. Okay, this head for time frame for gold. Okay, and another one, if you trade indices with the divergence, you will get the very, very good entry, which is, let's just go for the Japanese 40. Okay, here, based on here for time frame, you will see that this is your bullish divergence, right? You can see that price make a lower low, indicator is make a lower high. This is a regular divergence, which is bullish. Okay, able to look at the daily time frame, you will get the entry right here. So that's how you will hold your sell, because this is the bearish divergence, which is price make a higher high, indicator is make a lower high. So when you spot the divergence in the higher time frame, you can just hold to the next support level on that time frame. For example, we spot the divergence in daily, okay, and then you will hold your trade all the way to that. This is the support level for the daily time frame. Okay, if you spot the divergence in H4, and then the first TP, that will be the first resistance in H4 time frame. But sometimes you can spot the divergence in the lower time frame, like M5, M15. For example, if you want to trade gold, if you want to like scalping goal based on the lower time frame, that will be the divergence for you to trade. You can aim for 30 to 50 pip if you see the divergence, okay, and the divergence must happen where at the key level, either support or resistance level, okay. Based on M5, for example, I saw the divergence where did I saw just now? Okay, for example here, okay, this is bullish divergence here versus the I side, right? And it happened where this our support level in the M5, right? These are support level here. You can see that price make a lower low, indicator is make a higher low. Okay, this is a bullish divergence, and you could aim 100 pip. Okay, if you want to trade here, price go up here, okay, up here, pull back, you will see that your second entry for buy is right here, okay, at here, pull back and then continue to go up, right? And the Dow Jones as well, if I'm not wrong, that will be the divergence in the daily time frame here. Remember that one price break a high here, remember they make a new high. What you could see for the DJ, right, price make a higher high is here. You look at the indicator, it's make a lower high, so this is a bearish divergence. So usually I will just change to red, so I know that it's a reversal here. Hey, nice to see you, Curtis. Okay, I hope you have a good month too. Okay, here, right, you can see that then all the way down. So you can see that for the Dow Jones, okay, price make an all-time high, and here, let me just remove my key level. Like they make a higher high, higher low, right? Up to here, you will support the divergence here. Okay, let's say we want to trade with the divergence right here. Okay, how are we going to know that price is going to stop at this level? You need to combine with what? With the, remember, if you join the webinar extension, right? We will use the extension one price break above the high to make a new high. Okay, how are we going to know that whether price we're going to stop where? So we'll use the extension, which is you pull from the swing high to the swing low, right? You can see that your first extension is what? 127. That is gonna be your first resistance, or we will assume, or we will use, okay, I will identify this is my first resistance. Second resistance, I will use a 161.8. okay, this is how we use the extension. One price break above or break below, or break above your starting point, which is 100%. okay, starting point is always 100% and ending point is always 0 here, right? And then you will see that, oh, in daily time frame, price come to our extension, and we will see that there is a divergence here. So I'm going to sell at this level. If you were to go to the daily lower time frame, could we see the confirmation? One, we already see that there is a divergence here. What about M15? If you want to go the lower, you want to go to the lower time frame, okay, you will see the divergence as well. Where? Based on you identify based on this distance level, which is H4, right? There is a divergence here. Price make a higher high. You look at the indicator, it's make a lower high here. So the divergence is already happening in the M15. Okay, and then you will see that price is falling. Okay, again, this is our confirmation in the lower time frame. We want to see the confirmation, price action, chart pattern, or divergence. Okay, you will see that. Go back to H4, and then we're going to sell. We're going to sell here because there is a divergence. Even here in the H4 time frame. Okay, so where is your TP? You want to trade it with divergence. This is gonna be my, either you put your first support or your TP1, or you could highlight the zone, which is the body and the wick. So this is gonna be your support zone. or your TP. Okay, so this is gonna be your TP, right? Sell here, and you can see that hit your TP. One price come to the zone, okay, they bounce off from your first support. This is gonna be your what? Your sell entry, right? Why? Because divergence here, M50 H4 time frame, it look like what? M pattern, pull back, continue to go down. From your first support, if they break below, they're gonna be pull back, it become your resistance level, right? Your second support is right here. I could just put here for my overlap support. Let's just see, right? This is another sell entry, pull back, right? This either you consider your equal high or M pattern, okay, and then you can see that price all the way here bounce off at the second support. You know, even pull back from first support, maybe you could just become your first resistance, and you identify again this is gonna be your second resistance level, right? Okay, so now where is your next support? If I were to break your first support here, this is gonna be your, I will identify here first, second support, this one gonna be your first. So if they were to break here, they're gonna be pull back my resistance. Let's just see, right? And then you can see that now go to support 2, from break below, pull back, it become your first resistance, and this one is gonna be your second resistance. So simple, right? You can see that. Duke, good afternoon, good evening here from Singapore, guys. Okay, then you can see that the divergence is really strong because it is H4 time frame, right? Go back here and you can see that price is already at where here is a overbought, which is like 80. Just look at the eye side, and all the way you hold your sell to the this overlap support level. We just hit oversold here, which is below 30 for the eye side, right? You can see that. This is another example of trading with divergence, and here also have another divergence, which is what? Price make a lower low, indicator is make a lower high. It's a bullish divergence here. Is here, okay. Okay, so somebody asking me for Aussie. So today we start be learning about the training with divergence. Shall we? Okay, let's just look at the Aussie. If there is a divergence here, this is my trade setup, like since somewhere. Okay, now based on the H4 time frame, I already spot the divergence here. There is a bearish divergence versus the RSI, right? That's why you will sell here. Do you see that? Price make a higher high, indicator is make a lower high, and this is our, it is key level as well. Yeah, this is our key level, which is the resistance level here, and it might line up with our extension 127 here. That's why we're gonna sell at this zone, okay. And either you want to confirm with H4 time frame, you will see that price also ending with bearish engulfing candle. This one, right? Price might like pull back here and then continue to go down. What if we go to M15 to look for the confirmation? What do you see? Okay, they will see that divergence here, and this is our bearish order block or bearish engulfing, whatever you want to call, right? In M15 you will see that price could not make a higher high. In the M15 they make a equal high here, and then you can see a lot of rejection. Zoom in to see M15, you will see that it look like the M pattern here falling. Okay, there will be like your like a neckline here. You could highlight the zone. Your sell zone gonna be here, right here, the wick and the body. You can see that one price falling and pull back, this is gonna be your sell. Okay, if you are conservative trader, you will get entry here. If you are aggressive trader, you will get here. You will get here because price at our key level based on head 4 time frame, and then we see the divergence and they are ending with a price bearish engulfing candle here. Let's just see this and remove. Okay, where the price will pull back. You can see that price pull back to where? To our here bearish engulfing, right? You can see that break, pull back, and continue to fall. Where is our TP? Here TP1 or first support is gonna be here, right here. Okay, our second support, let me just put right here, which is my second support is line up or close to where? To the demand or bullish, or the block is here. Where's my bullish OB? Okay, let's say we sell here. Okay, and then you will see that TP1, TP2. Okay, from the support it become the resistance, pull back. Usually I don't play like breakout. I like to wait for like a pullback. So either you want to put like a sell stop limit. Okay, I don't use the sell stop or buy stop, but I use the sell stop limit or buy stop limit. So basically wait a pullback and then you continue. So it's gonna be your resistance first, then this one could be like second resistance, something like that, right? This is a divergence. Do you see the divergence here? When price come to the support level, there's a bullish divergence here, right here. So if you miss out with the trading with divergence, don't miss out. Okay, there is a lot of divergence here. If you know how to identify the key level correctly, and then you will see the divergence here, bullish divergence here, you buy TP, and then after that you will sell, because it's gonna be your first resistance, right? How many pip? Did you see the rejection? We open here, TP here is about 32 pip. Okay, okay, let's continue. Can you use a divergence on every time frame? Yes, you can. You can spot the divergence in the lower time frame. It's just that the lower time frame, the divergence is not very powerful, but you can trade with the divergence in the lower time frame. Let's say let's say if I want to identify G but I recommend you guys to trade with the divergence when price is approaching or nearing to your key level. Do I see the divergence here in the lower time frame? This is not a divergence here. But gold you can, okay, maybe gold, okay, gold you can spot the divergence in the lower time frame, like say M15. Okay, for example here, right? We will sell here because there is a bullish bearish divergence here in M15, which is, this is my sell entry, which is this signal I sent on where is 1st November. Okay, I get a sell entry here, and over here is my resistance level in M15 or M30. It looks the same. Okay, I can combine with the FIBO, that will be 50%. You're not wrong, that will be 50%. So this is my sell zone, and then you can see that divergence here, bearish, and then we sell. Okay, so how many confirmation is that? Resistance plus FIBO plus divergence here, and then you sell. Okay, and another divergence here, but to look in the lower time frame here, M15 bullish divergence here, versus the RSI, and this is our support level right here. This is my either I identify here for my like support level. Let's say you would identify here your support level, you zoom in for scalping. What do you see? This is your key level or support level M15, and then you can see that price could not make a lower low, they make an equal low here based on the wick, right? And then you can see that you see the divergence here, bullish divergence, and then your another confirmation is here, make an equal low, and you price also ending with bullish engulfing candle here. Okay, price back here, pull back, you will get a buy at this zone or this level. You buy here, and after that price come back here again, you're gonna buy. Okay, break above, pull back, and then you buy at this price right here. Okay, and then you can see all the way uptrend, make a gap here. Okay, and then they come and close the gap, and then continue to M15. So how many pip? For the M15, you can aim for 50 to 100 pip in the M15 time frame. You can see that all the way like to let's just say like 200 pip, 235 pip. Okay. For trading with divergence, I think in the low time, in the gold, you will spot like very often for the divergence here. The one, let's say if you want to scalp on M5 also divergent here. Did you see the divergence here? If you cannot see, you double click to make it bigger. Is it divergent here? No, it's not really the divergence. So need to look at the the key level. This no divergence, but you will get sell at this because your price action is there. The divergence is here. This is our resistance level right here. You will see that price make a higher high, indicator is make a lower high. If you cannot see, you double click, make it bigger, you will see here. Okay, there's a divergence here, resistance, you will see that. That's why you sell. Okay, you sell here, this is going to be your TP because this is your demand zone. Either you call demand zone or you call bullet or the block. Okay, like that. That's why we sell. You, how many pip? Let's just say 500 pip. Because this one, these are M5. Okay, that's why you could not hold for all the way. And would you see that better the divergence here, price ending with bearish engulfing candle, they create. So price will pull back here again, bearish at the block. That's why price break, like close, pull back here, like pull back, and then you sell. You will target here at bullet or the block or demand zone here for your TP. Okay, and then you can see price bounce up and now it's ranging. Okay. Many times they are divergent in the graph, but the price for example in the upward trend continue and rising for 2 or 3 more peak. What is the next call? What do you mean? You mean like here, you mean like price make a high like that? Is it? Continue to rise and make, meaning that price is not at the key level yet. So if you want to trade with the divergence first, you need to find the key level first. Okay, yeah, meaning that if price still continue make a higher high, you can't see the divergence because the indicator haven't you look at the RSI or other indicator, meaning that they haven't at the key level yet. Meaning if you want to trade first, identify the key level, Okay, for example, let's say if here, based on H4 time frame, price really make an all-time high, right? Price is going to stop here. What I need to use? First, I need to use the you can spot, you start to spot here already. Price make a higher high, but you can see that indicator is make a lower high. Okay, stop here because that will be the divergence here versus price make a higher high. You can see the price stop where cannot close above, cannot go beyond the extension. So I would identify this as my first resistance when price before price come. Okay, and you starting to look at the RSI, right? The RSI here, you will see that price make a higher high and indicator is make a lower high. Okay, you need to identify the key level, and then after that you will start to see the look at the indicator. Okay, right here you will see here also another divergence here. Okay, because if price still continue to go higher, mean for example like here continue to go higher high, you look at the RSI. Okay, the RSI also continue to go, continue to rise here, right? Like continue to go right like that. So once RSI you can see at like above 70, most of the time the price also will like approaching the key level. Then you will spot the divergence. For example here also like divergence versus the like bearish divergence here. Okay, this is for example. And another one, let's say I go to H1 time frame. H1 time frame, for example here, right? You will see that this side there is no divergence here, but you can see price make a higher high, higher low, like right here. Continue. Okay, indicator is still make higher. There is no divergence here, but how we're going to sell at this level? How you going to sell at this level? You look to your left, there is nothing, right? But there will be, if you identify this our resistance level, we're gonna sell here. Okay, first resistance, could we use the, you need to use the extension, or you need to use the protection in this case to get like the entry there. There will be somewhere 100% protection here. Okay, so this is your sell entry. Okay, so one price come here, this is the all-time high already at this level. Where is the next level? The next key level that will be here for 24.73. But over here, what is your confirmation? Okay, we see RSI is already overbought here. Okay, and H4 time frame, price at like resistance level, and your confirmation is which is this candle. Okay, this candle, you can see that the ending with bearish engulfing candle is a sign of reversal, right? Bearish engulfing. So this is gonna be one price is you need to highlight it your resistance zone, right? One price pull back, you will see that your price action here, and then you sell. This is your key level for the first resistance, and then you can see that the RSI making a lower low here. What if we go to the lower time frame to look for the confirmation? You might see the divergence in the lower time frame for confirmation. Where is my, okay, here. Okay, rejection here, you sell, right? What if I go to M15 to look for the divergence? That will be divergence here or not? Confirmation M5. Okay, now what is our confirmation here? There is no divergence here, but we can sell at this level. First, this is our zone, right? And you can see that this is the higher price, which is 24.50 for example. Okay, you will trade just price break below this low, right? Either you want to call market structure shift, or you want to call channel character, whatever you want to call. You can use the Fibo to get the entry where at least 50% and above. You can see that price come to our sell buy entry at least 50% each here, right? 50. Let me just pick here. Then you will get the entry sale here. There is no divergence, but we don't really purely trade with divergence, right? You can just use another strategy which is you have learned in like with me or other like from YouTuber or influencer, and then become your own style. We will know that we're gonna sell here because this is our sell zone in the lower time frame, because I see price already. Either you call market structure shift for the ICT or SMC, just shadow character. Okay, I don't want to call, just say that okay, break below here, pull back, go back up here, and then we sell, and then after that you just hold your trade, because this zone is our head for resistance, right? But we go to the lower time frame, just want to have the sharp entry, and then you can have like tight stop loss, and then you can put the stop loss slightly above the high, because if price continue to make a higher high, okay, you don't know what is the next resistance, we just hit your stop loss. But you already see the confirmation, price make equal high, price break below this low. Okay, because in the lower time frame, if price want to continue to go up, they should not break below this low. They need to continue to make a lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low high, low higher low, higher low and higher high to continue to go uptrend, right? But this one they make a higher high, higher low, higher high, and lower low. Okay, so this is our confirmation, and then you sell here, price pull back, and then you hold. And another entry you will see from here. This is overbought, oversold, and this our in the lower time frame is your pullback or overlap support level. Is here, but price did not come. Okay, if you want to buy up here, you need to know where is your TP. Okay, where is your TP should be somewhere here, and after that we're gonna sell again, because you see the divergence in M5, which is here. Price make a higher high, indicator is make a lower high. Okay, and this is our overlap resistance is here. Okay, in creating a strategy in the robust system with divergence, which is the better indicator to build a MACD or RSI, and why? Okay, I will show you. I personally use only RSI, because if you were to look at MACD, okay, let's just see we pull out MACD, and okay, to me the less is the better. Okay, some people they will use two, but up to them, but I just want to stick with one because I don't like to have like so many indicator. Let's just say MACD, which is MACD, is this MACD. Okay, let's just say pick out this one. Okay, just somewhere is our divergence, for example. Sometimes you will spot the divergence in the RSI, you don't see in MACD, but sometimes you see MACD but not in the RSI. So, which one should you pick? There's a divergence here, right? Here. There's nothing right or wrong. Is your reference. You want to use RSI or you want to use MACD, but I like to use the RSI. This is a MACD. You see MACD look like that? It's also divergent as well. But you can see that there are so many. But some of the trader, even my colleague, okay, she also using MACD to trade, but I'm not sure whether she will use for the RSI. But you can see that you can trade with both Either you want to use the I side for the I side to use divergence, and you can use MACD to like, you know, find like when price cross below also at the resistance, something like that. Okay, there is like better or best indicator in the world. It's just that which one you prefer. You can test out, either you want to test out the RSI or MACD. Okay, because I just use RSI because to me it's like easy to spot. These are so many things here. I don't trade MACD because I don't trade when price cross above, cross below. Okay, I know that you can trade with the confirmation buy. This is your support level, right? This one also at the support level, for example. Okay, here. Okay, and then you also see that this has already like start to cross above, which is MACD line cross above the signal line. Signal line is the yellow, right? Cross above, and then you buy. This one you can use as the confirmation, but I don't use. I just personally I don't use it. Okay, because there's so many. I identify the key level. I use RSI to spot the divergence, and then I combine with Fibonacci. Okay, that's all. And then study price action. Okay, so price action also very powerful if it happen at the key level. That's it. This is what if, okay, we go to the Germany 40, very nice falling. Okay, just now we will spot the in a higher time frame, right? Okay, you will see the divergence here as well, bearish, and also bearish. Price cross below, right? This one, where is this one? Somewhere here. Cross below is sell, right? You sell, and then you also sell here. It's up to you which one you prefer. Okay. And this one as well. There's no divergence here, right? There's no divergence, but you will see the confirmation. Now we combine with the MACD even to trade. You will see the price cross above, right? I mean the what the blue color, I forgot. Like cross above the signal line. I remember that the yellow one is the signal line cross. The blue one cross above, you buy, and then you will get the buy where you will get the buy entry at the lower, like in the higher price, which is here. Because if you were to wait for confirmation, because MACD is a lagging indicator, right? You will get the entry is here. Okay, but over here is our overlap support, right? This is our overlap support based on the daily time frame. The daily rejection, so next day you need to find the buy for the Germany 40 in the lower time frame. You'll see this is a H4. Do you see H4? You see price action? Yes, the lovely price action is here. Okay, you see the price action is here, and you will get the I will open buy when I see this candle. Second candle gonna be my buy entry, but for the MACD, right, cross gonna be right here. Gonna be at this one, and then you buy, and then you can see that RSI already oversold, right? You can see that this one there's no divergence here. What about we go to the lower time frame? Could we see the divergence here based on H1? We don't see, but you can see that price already oversold. It go below even like 20 in the lower time frame. Another price action. Okay, in the lower time frame, one price approaching a key level, you can see that H1 time frame closing with our price action. Okay, we will get the entry where in the lower time frame here, second candle, right? You can see the lovely price break above. If you were just to look purely here, I already will get the entry. For example, I go to here. Okay, this is my support, and then we're gonna buy. What if we go to M15? Divergence here, yes. There is a bullish divergence versus the I side. What about MACD? MACD, maybe yes. This is also like divergence here. but okay, I see divergence here. So what I want to see the price break above, pull back. I'm gonna buy up in the M15, which is they need to break above this, either this high. Okay, let's just see. Okay, the break above, you can see break above, pull back. First buy is here in M15. Price come from our key level, which is H4. This is our support, don't forget. First support in H4 time frame. Okay, and we buy here, right? Second buy is here when price pull back, and we hold. Okay, and after that I want to go wait for H1 to close. Wait, how H1 look like here, right? Price action, first sell, first buy, second buy. Okay, and then we hold to where? At least H4 time frame. I will pray for the TP gonna be here, TP1. Let's just see. And then TP, H4 time frame. Okay, right? TP1, and then from resistance, now it become pullback support right here. Become your first support. This one gonna be your second support is right here. It's overlap support level in H4 time frame. You will target here first TP, which is your first resistance, is here, right? And then you can see that TP resistance, next resistance level should be at this high. Okay, from the resistance it become pullback is here, right? Break above, pullback. The high is here first, and then another TP is here. Okay, any question? And okay, any pair you want me to have a look for you with the divergence, I can explain. Hi everyone. Okay, any pair. Okay, maybe we look at the trade setup for gold. What is happening with gold? Actually, I just thought I was short gold from 2740 based on M15 just now. Okay, that's how I was short here for the gold for scalping here. It's here, so just I was short gold here. Okay, then price all the way at more than 50 pip, and then it rising again. So look for the H4 or okay, let me finish go, and then I will okay, you can wait to buy at this zone. Okay, because there will be, I will use the extension to get the entry. Okay, and there will be the projection right here. So just now I buy up here. Why? You know why we buy up at this zone? Because there is a demand. This is our demand zone, right? So just now my demand zone was here. The price come here, and then you will see the rejection and rising to where? To the other block here, bearish other block, scalping, buy, TP, and sell. Okay, of course now I'm looking for the sell entry, so you sell, but you can wait here if price come to like 27 21. I'm not gonna buy here 26. Okay, I will wait at this to this zone, which is they're gonna be, because on the block we only play one is fresh, meaning the price come for the first time. Okay, come back again, I'm not gonna trade with that zone. Okay, I will pick here for my first support. So this is the zone to buy. Whenever price come, guys, you can this head for time frame, right? Okay, this is gonna be my buy entry for the second support. Of course there will be a wick here, body in the wick. Okay, did you get the entry for this zone for your first resistance, right? And then you can see your price action, and then you sell. Just identify the second resistance just at the all-time high there. Okay, if you get an entry here, or even if you go to M15, you will get an entry as well, right? You can see that M15 price action right here. You can see lovely price action. Okay, so this is the test setup for gold. Or see, there's a gap. They almost come close the gap, but this is gonna be the support level for you. Do you buy from this zone? Do you buy up when price come here to this zone, right? Here, just put here the body here. Okay, and of course this is gonna be the first resistance. Second resistance gonna be here, but first resistance you need to highlight. That will be zone is quite big one, so you need to wait for confirmation, either rejection or price action or divergence. Price could make something like that, maybe higher high and then falling, because indicator is still rising, because they haven't really hit 70, right? I think they can rising more for this zone for the H4 time frame. The second support is just at the swing low, multi swing low support level, which is right there. The zone here should be close to extension, which is above there. That's why it's here. I might need to adjust the second resistance. This is gonna be my first resistance. Okay, so they can rise more. Okay, at there they haven't reached second first. Oh, sorry, this is gonna be my first resistance. My second resistance is here. Okay, the last pair, USD C shape also. You can see the price hits an extension, right? You can see it hit extension, price action, divergence here. There's a bearish divergence versus the RSI. Okay, falling. Hit the first support, now it become a pullback resistance level, like this one. This sets up, I think, since yesterday, right here. So now we will target, need to adjust, which is the capture. This is your first resistance, right? But of course we highlight the zone, which is the body, right? The body and the wick. You see that price pullback, price action, and it's gonna be your second resistance. Is done, and done. For the divergence here, there is an extension below there. Okay, the next support is gonna be right here for your second support. What we can do, you can use a retracement to see whether your key level close or line up with any, yes, that would be what? That would be 50% fee for the second support here, which is right here. Okay, okay, last one, oil, this one, right? US, there is a gap. Okay, last pair before end base. You see that price already closed the gap, right? Where is the gap? Like Friday, is it Friday? Monday? Okay, like here they already come close the gap already. Okay, the key level, where is our key level for this one? First resistance. Wait, let me look at this one is gonna be my first resistance. I will look for the here, right here. So this is our sell zone. Could we sell now? You could sell. You could sell. This is our sell zone. Let me see. Yeah, you can sell. You can sell. Okay. You want to sell, you can sell. You see a price action here. Of course, you will put stop loss above the first resistance. Let's do H1. Well, I have a lot of gap here. But if I were you, I will sell. I mean, but I don't trade oil. I only trade like EU, GU, and gold. I need to trade 3 pair. But you can sell here. If you for scalping, right, you don't need to put your stop loss. Just put stop loss above this high. That's all. If here the stop loss, you just lose a few dollars. But of course, it depends on your lot size as well. Okay, yeah, you can sell. You can see that this I will sell because based on lower time frame, I see the price action. Okay, lovely can sell based on M15. Okay, you can sell oil. All right, guys, that's all for today. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again in the next webinars. You're welcome, guys. Okay, thank you for saying just a bit of a train strategy. Yes, I have totally made different. I'm excited to see the impact. All right, thank you, Ajay. Okay, I will see you again in the next webinar. Okay, which is next Tuesday. I forgot the topic. Just watch out. You can see that oil is already falling. So if you sell just now, you will earn a few dollars maybe, depending on your lot size. Okay, if you sell oil now, where's your TP? This H4, this H1, where you could aim for. I don't know whether there's a gap here. I don't know whether they will come and like close the gap. That could be your TP1, and this one could be your TP2 each here, or your like here. We'll see whether price will all the way down here. First support, second support. Okay. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. See you guys again in the next webinar. Take care. See you guys again. Bye for now, guys. Take care.